Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. Both the New Zealand versus U.S. dollar and the Aussie versus U.S. dollar are making new session highs. Let's talk about both of those major currency pairs in this video. So let's get started. Start by taking a look at the New Zealand versus U.S. dollar. This is a 4-hour chart, and the prices are moving, as you can see, running to the upside, I should say, over the last few hours of trading. And in the process, the price is moving and testing the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart at 0.6075. We already moved above the 200-day moving average at 0.6067. So that's good news as long as the price can remain and get above that upper moving average. On the top side, we have another swing, the high of a swing area up to 0.60856 that we need to get above, and then once the traders will look toward the 38.2% retracement. That's of the move down from the December high to the low price that we saw in March. Get above that level, and it opens the door for even further gains with the 100-day moving average as another target on the top side. In trading, in the new trading day, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will announce a new interest rate decision, I guess, and the expectations, though, are for unchanged policy. Market will be paying attention to what they have to say about future policy action. But going into that release, the price is moving to the upside, and it is moving to the upside in trading this week. Recall from last week, the price low that we saw came in right near the low price, going back to this point right here. This is going back to November 2023. Our low price that came in early in the week last week found support buyers against that level, and that started the process to the upside. We did hold support at this swing area right through here at the lows on Friday before rotating back to the upside this week and getting back above the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. So that was more bullish. Now we have these other moving averages and swing area up here to get to and through to increase the bullish bias for the New Zealand versus U.S. dollar. On the downside, if we do see a rotation back below the 200-day moving average, look toward this 0.6037 level as support. If the buyers are to keep control, then at least in the short term, this is in the short term, folks. We've been more to the downside here. But if the buyers are going to have a chance, they need to stay above that level to show that they want to get back up toward the 38.2% retracement, at least on the top side, and hopefully, or what they would hope for is also to get above the 100-day moving average up here. Let's take a look at the Aussie versus U.S. dollar, and again, we'll look at the 4-hour chart in this currency pair. And what we see in trading is also a move to the upside in trading here today. In trading yesterday, the price also moved higher, and in the process, we moved above the 100-day moving average. That level comes in at 0.6598, the 38.2% retracement of the move down from this high right here to this low right here. This is the December high to the February low, February low. That level came in at 0.66059. So getting above both those levels was more bullish. And as you can see, we did hold support after breaking above and started a rotation back to the upside. That move to the upside has now taken the price above the high prices that we saw, 4 or 5 weeks ago. This high, and that's more positive. We're now looking toward the 50% midpoint of the same move to the downside that comes in at 0.66559, and then we'll look toward this swing area up here at 0.6676 to 89. So we're seeing dollar selling in both the New Zealand and the Aussie versus U.S. dollar, with both those currency pairs moving to the upside. The moves to the downside are also being mirrored in some of the other currency pairs, including the euro versus U.S. dollar, the sterling versus U.S. dollar. Even the dollar versus yen is moving to new session lows as I speak. So dollar selling is the order of the day so far today. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.